nutraceutical for human health. If we go to, the history of the nutrient development, now come first from based on the father of the medicine. He said that let Thai food be a Thai medicine and the medicine be Thai food. So do the philosophy behind this statement, that is a focus on prevention. Then back to our food. What is, the important thing, or we call also nutrition, gizi, nutrisi. What is important, that is nutrient. Now we all, in this presentation, we also have to learn further about what is the nutrient, then what is the nutraceutical. So the origin of the word nutrition was Indonesianized into nutrition, better known also as gizi. So do nutrisi dan gizi itu sama gitu ya. So then also the word gizi come from the giza. This is Arabic, means food and also gizi. So do sometimes make us confused. This is nutrition or this is gizi. So Indonesia call ilmu gizi, tapi tidak ada ilmu nutrisi, for example. Then if we look at, the evolution of the nutrition, come from the first. This is a primordial event or a century. They eat to live. To life. Then from the Greece, they eat and disease. Then for 16th century, eat for a long life. Then now in this century, nutrition become medical nutrition or become science nutrition, nutraceutical, functional food, and medical nutrition was born. So what is nutraceutical? Actually, nutraceutical was coined from nutrition and pharmaceutical. This is announced by Stephen de Vries in 1989. So based on the Stephen, nutraceutical can be defined as a food or part of food or nutrient that provide health benefit, including the prevention and treatment of the disease. So other definition of nutraceutical is any substance considered as food or its part in which provide health benefit, including prevention or disease or promotion of the health. So do nutraceutical can be of any non-toxic food component that has scientifically proven health benefit, including disease treatment or prevention. Now the other, definition nutraceutical, the term nutraceutical are also used to describe medicinal or nutritional component that include a food, plant, or natural occurring material, which may have been purified or concentrated, and that is used for the improvement of the health by preventing or treating disease. So if we come to the range of the nutraceutical, nutraceutical may range from isolated nutrient, herbal product, dietary supplement, and diet to genetically engineered, designed food, and also processed products such as cereal, soup, and also beverage. Now come to the concept of nutraceutical. The concept of nutraceutical come from the two words, that is nutrition, required for the health, to maintain our health, and also come from the pharmaceutical, that is meaning a drug used to treat some kind of disease. So the nutraceutical can also be defined as a nutrient that may prevent disease. Then if we look at in the world, there are many countries have as their own, the definition. For example, like Japan, they have a definition, functional food, that is natural or formulated food that has enhanced physiological performance or prevent or treat particular disease. So here you can see maybe Japan is the only country that legalized food for specified health use. Then also from Canada, they also have a certain definition. For example, like nutraceutical, this is a product produced from food but sold in pill, powder, and other medicinal form, not generally associated with the food. Yucca also have its own definition. It is a food that has component incorporated into it to give a specific medical or physiological benefit other than purely nutritional benefit. So here mean they have two terms, functional food, nutraceutical, or also mention about the important factor inside the food, that is a nutrient. For example, nutraceutical is an isolated or concentrated. many definition. However, all talking about the nutrient or the nutrition. So in my mind, why they switch to the nutraceutical? This is my opinion. Maybe because of the drug therapy failure. So meaning important to develop nutraceutical. Many herbal medicine have no proven efficacy, maybe, or the existence of chronic disease that are difficult to cure, or maybe because of the change in lifestyle, or maybe individual wishes of use, or maybe because of focus on preventive medicine. However, maybe the most recent, the reason why they switch to nutraceutical, maybe because of the public perception that is natural is good. So the message behind this reason or this problem, can nutraceutical help in the prevention of the disease and in their treatment? So now come to, in my mind, I would say yes. However, the healthy will come if we take, the proper nutrition. So here, if you look at in the world, about 2/3 of the world population rely on the healing power of the plant-based material for many reasons, maybe because of the availability, affordability, safety, or maybe because they believe traditional affordability or believe in traditional use. And then now, nutraceutical industry began developed during 1980. And also maybe because of the statement of the great physician, this is Hippocrates, let food be your medicine. Now come to the nutraceutical, classify of the nutraceutical, can be potential nutraceutical, that is one has promising approach toward particular health or medicinal benefit, can also be established nutraceutical. This is a potential nutraceutical, become established nutraceutical only after there are sufficient clinical use to demonstrate a benefit. Now, come to the nutritional, mainly consists or can be divided into 3 categories. That is the first, that is nutrient, substance which have established nutritional functions such as vitamin, mineral, either micro mineral or micro mineral, macro and micro mineral, also amino acid, fatty acid, monosaccharide, etc. Then the second, that is a herbal or phytochemical product. This is obtained from the herb or botanical product, can be extract or concentrate. Then the third, that is dietary supplement, can be probiotic, prebiotic, antioxidant, enzyme, substrate, and other, with serving specific function such as a sport, nutrient, or weight loss supplement, or as a meal replacement. So here you can see, the component of the type of the nutrient. Actually, based on this slide, you can see we have 7 component of nutrient. The first is carbohydrate, protein, fat, mineral, either micro or macro mineral, then fat soluble vitamin or water soluble, and the last is water. Here you can also see, all the nutrient can come from, for example, fruit, vegetables, meat, and other carbohydrate products such as bread, rice, and etc. However, although we know we have 7 components of nutrient, however, according to WHO, according also to the clinical nutrition, we should to take various, the component of its, the nutrient, and also take in the balance condition or amount. Then come to what is the importance of the nutrient. So all known to maintain our health, either for metabolism, chemical reaction, and also to produce energy. As we see here, our vital organ need energy every day. For example, our liver need around 29 calories, 29% of the resting energy expenditure. Our brain also and other, the vital organs. Then also now come to the COVID-19 pandemic, we should also maintain our immune system. Then here you can see we have 2 types of immune system, that is non-specific and specific. Both are mediated by our white blood cell, in which our white blood cell are also need energy or nutrient come from our food. So do by or through the essential we take the healthy food, so do we can maintain our immune system in order to fight against SARS-CoV-2. Nah, beside the main function, we also have to know other factor influence the value of the nutrient or the value of the food we take or the nutraceutical we take. As we know, our life is nourished by food, substance inside the food that maintain our health, that is nutrient. However, not only we know about the content of the nutrient inside the food, however, we have also to know other factor. For example, the value of the nutrient are also depend on the physiologic factor and also biochemical process inside our body. Then others here you can see, in order to take the nutraceutical or food as the source of the nutrient, we have also to think the first, that is the benefit and then impact. If we take, how about if we take too much or too less? Yeah, or we'll take too much, will and also less, we also will find the problem. For example, if we take too much carbohydrate, for example, we will be faced with the diabetes mellitus, yeah, as well as if we take the too less. Then we also think about the science, education, social factor, economy, and also culture. And then component of the nutrient inside the food that we eat. Then the other most important factor, this is the processing. That means not only based on the nutrient inside the food, however, we have also to think about the processing, because if we do not have a good or properly processing, we will face with the contamination. Then we come to the toxic effect. So we have also to know better about the physiological condition. For example, if we are faced with the anemia condition, for example, we need iron, we need vitamin B12, we need folic acid, for example. However, if we face or undergo something problem in our gastrointestinal, so this material, this nutrient will not absorb properly. So anemia will not treat that. So about the technology also, how to prepare the food, in order to guarantee or to be used as a medicine. Then the other, we have also to know about the toxic effect. Here through the clinical nutrition, we know as a food toxicity. So the food toxicity can be of the food allergy and food intolerance. Can be pharmacologic effect, psychogenic effect. We also have to know better about this one. Besides this, we have also to know the presence of the anti-nutritive inside the food. Yeah, what is the anti-nutritive? Actually, we know there are 3 types of anti-nutritive. Can be type A, type B, and type C. Yeah, among these, there are also anti-mineral and also anti-vitamin. So we have to know better about this one. Then the other, that is the interaction. Yeah, now by learning about the nutrient, we can come to know better about there is a good interaction and then bad interaction. For example, if we want to take, we need calcium, so better if you to take the preparat or the, pharmacy dosage form or mineral or vitamin combination should contain also vitamin D, for example. This is, the good interaction. Then, for example, we need, for example, iron, so better we take together with vitamin C. Why? Because vitamin C will increase, the absorption of iron, for example. Then for antioxidant, for example, we need, for example, vitamin C. So it would be better to take together with vitamin E. So for vitamin lipid soluble, for example, if we need vitamin lipid soluble, so better we take together with milk contain fat, for example. So this means interaction. So we have to think about this one. Then the last, that is a nutritional status. That means we have to come to the diagnose for the condition before we taking, the nutraceutical. By diagnose or, the detect, nutritional status, so we will take, the good nutraceutical. So here through the diagnosis of nutritional status, we can come to diagnose whether what type of the nutrient we are deficiency with. So this all important in order or before we take the nutraceutical or food in order to treat or to prevent the disease. Then come to the most important also that means regulation or safety. So it should be guaranteed that a safety. Then for me, I have the question also: is there a safety test for the nutraceutical? For me, must be have safety test in order to guarantee food that we take is safe for our body. Then if we look at the many country in the world, they do not allow food label to carry health claim. Why? Maybe because of the lack of the quality control. Now come to the what is the classification of nutraceutical, can be natural source, can also be based on the pharmacological condition, can also be based on the chemical constituent. Here you see based on the chemical group can be supplement in organic mineral, supplement mineral either macro or micronutrient, probiotic, prebiotic, dietary fibers, then antioxidant, other phytochemical here talking today, then help can also be as a functional food. All these can be used as a nutraceutical. Here example, the nutraceutical come from here from plant, for example, from the Allium sativum. This is show what part of the plant used in order to become a nutraceutical. For example, Allium sativum bulb, they contain many active compound used usually to treat hypercholesterolemia condition, can also treat inflammatory and also have activity as antimutagenic. Aloe also, the leaf, usually also not only to heal the wound, however now are used as a cosmetic. Other Andrographis paniculata and others, all are can be obtained from the plant. Here also example of the nutraceutical naturally. Here the probiotic, other come from the plant. Based on the source can be nutraceutical obtained from the plant, animal, mineral, and also microorganism. For example, like probiotic. Then the source of nutraceutical is here you can see come from plant, fruits, then also come from a shellfish, fish, meat, meal, and other, vegetable, yeast, and other. All so do why we call a wide range of the nutraceutical. So do we can obtain nutraceutical from plant, animal, microorganism, and others. Here the example of the potential nutraceutical. For example, carotenoid. The component is the beta carotene, lycopene, for example, from tomato, processed tomato product, for example. Potential benefit may contribute to maintenance of prostate health, especially for the men. Also this one contribute to maintain healthy vision, for example, and others. And also for dietary fiber, either insoluble or soluble one, can use to contribute to maintain our healthy digestive tract and also may reduce risk of the cardiovascular disease, for example. Whole grain, usually to maintain body weight also, may reduce risk of the cardiovascular disease and other. And also for treating, used to treat cancer disease, for example. This is also example, either MUFA or PUFA, also may can also obtain from tree nut, walnut, and other, salmon, tuna, kind of fish or fish oil. This is also have a potential benefit to reduce risk of cardiovascular disease and others. Flavonoid also mainly come from the plant, may contribute also to maintain heart health, for example, neutralize also free radical or become as an antioxidant and others. Now come to, the all therapeutic area can be used, nutraceutical to treat. For example, like rheumatoid arthritis, that is a kind of autoimmune disease. Can also to treat sleeping disorder, digestion problem, also prevent certain type of cancer, can also use as osteoporosis, for example, mineral calcium, for example, and also to treat blood pressure disturbance, hypertension, for example, and others. Yeah. So in the market, you can see also how much amount the nutraceutical are used to treat certain type of disease. Here, for osteoarthritis is around 29.7% in the world. Yeah. And also for, the sleeping disorder, this is around 20%. So if you collaboration is would be better to also involve in the develop of a nutraceutical, because the need of the nutraceuticals is high in the world, for example. Yeah. Here, the example of nutraceutical used to treat, for example, for joint health, cardiovascular, eye health, and also cancer and other disease. Yeah. Then come to other example of the example of nutraceutical. This is probiotic. This is a live microorganism, health benefit on the host, for example, are also contain species lactobacillus, maybe bifidobacterium yeast, and some are also used, the normal flora, that is E. coli, and also bacillus species are also used as a probiotic. This is, what is the benefit here? Benefit of the probiotic can be manage our lactose intolerance, reduce bladder and urinary tract infection, improve also symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, also used to treat diarrhea condition, shorten duration, and others. Yeah. Then come to what is the prebiotic. Prebiotic is, the substance actually nutrient, yeah, used to stimulate, the favorable growth of the limited number of our indigenous bacteria. Commonly known probiotic can be oligofructose, inulin, galacto-oligosaccharide, and also lactulose. Here, the example of the plant used in order to, the phytochemical used to treat either to prevent or to treat disease, aloe vera and others. Yeah. So the phytochemical come from the plant and can be also used as antioxidant, and many type of component can be substrate, cofactor, inhibitor, adsorbent, can be also scavenger for antioxidant, enhance or absorption or stability, and others. This is phytochemical. This is example can be tocopherol, tocopherol, carotenoid, and others. Yeah, this is also show, the phytochemical component, the source and the role of the component of the nutrient inside or phytochemical inside the plant. Here also show, the example of the phytochemical source and also the role. Yeah, and then come to dietary fiber. It is also very important. This is a structured carbohydrate of the plant, neither digested or nor absorbed. And then we know there are two types, either insoluble or soluble one. However, message inside this behind this one, we have to know also fiber is belong also as a type B antinutritive. Then the other we should know also, when we take fiber, we should also take a lot of water, because fiber will absorb water in our GIT. So if we take, for example, broccoli, in which we know high in fiber, so one plate of broccoli, we have to take 4 amount of the water. Yeah, in order to eliminate or to avoid, the constipation. So there is a message behind, this nutrient. Yeah, we know this is important. However, if we do not know how to take properly, so we also will face with the problem. Intake of dietary fiber, because dietary fiber belongs as anti-mineral, anti-nutritive. So do recommend only around 20 to 35 gram daily. Yeah, do not take too much, because too much, actually we need a lot of water. We have also to take a lot of water. And also we have to think about, beside, the usefulness taking fiber, problem beside this also will have to think about that. Yeah. So the source can be fruit, vegetable, whole grain, and others. Yeah. So here, adequate water intake is important. So why? Because fiber will absorb more water. If you do not take more water, we will face also with the problem in our daily constipation. Here, the example of the nutraceutical in the market can become from the spirulina, this is soybean, this is broccoli, this is, ginseng, garlic. Indonesia, we have also other product we call with the black garlic and others. And this is for flaxseed. Yeah, this is a cohosh, also have, this one, turmeric. Yeah, we have also product, and also either this one, a green tea, black tea, oolong tea, and others. Yeah, this is example, nutraceutical in the farm. Now come to the conclusion. Nutraceutical are present in most of the food ingredient with varying concentration. Then, functional component of the food actually must be standardized in the nutraceutical product, and it would also be better if produced under good manufacturing practice, because we know something toxic effect of nutrient can also be as a contaminant during processing. Then, in order to develop, nutraceutical, either to prevent or to treat certain type of disease, we have also be concerned with the safety of the nutraceutical. Then the last, diet rich in nutraceutical should also combine with the regular exercise, reduce stress, yeah, and also maintain healthy body weight, will maximize, yeah, health and reduce disease. So that means not only depend on the food that we eat taken, however, have also to combine with the exercise, yeah, reduce, the stress, and also the other, maintain our body weight, and also, yeah, now because we face also with the COVID-19, we also have to time for sleep, for example, yeah. We have also enough time for sleep. So all together can maintain our health or prevent our body against disease. Yeah. Then to stay healthy, may come to let food be your medicine. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.